Welcome to Gawaku Studio. In this tutorial, I will show how to draw an elevation plan of a semi-detached house for a view of the height of the back and front just by using the Excel application. I will show a very easy way for you to understand. You just have to follow this video to the end and understand how to do it. Before we get started, I would really appreciate if you click the like and subscribe button, as this video will provide knowledge, information, and be useful for you. In this tutorial I will give an example to sketch the structure of the image in more detail. Observe and understand the movement of the arrow, step by step until completion. Alright, now we start drawing a plan of the semi-detached house for the rear view. Open the Excel application, then click New, and open a blank presentation. The first process, resize the columns and cells into rectangles, size width 1.86 and height 12.75. Each box will represent a size 1 square foot. Next process, make height and width measurements, such as the display on the screen. It will work as a measurement guide to make sketches on the image structure. Once ready, go to the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, click Shapes and click Rectangle. Create a structure as in the video, to create a site or floor structure. Next process, create a wall structure, highlight on the column according to the exact height and width measurements, and on the toolbar, go to Home, and click on Border, select Outside Border. Next on the toolbar, go to Home and click on Fill Colors and select the color of your choice. Next process, create the window and door structure, highlight on the column according to the exact height and width measurements, and on the toolbar, go to Home and click on Border, select Outside Border, and then click on Fill Colors and select the color of your choice. Repeat this process according to the shape and number of structures required. Next process, making a roof. On the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, click Shapes and click Freeforms, Shape. Start sketching the shape of the roof structure of your choice. Next process is to create the fascia board structure. On the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, click Shapes and click Rectangle. Start sketching the shape of the fascia board structure. The next process is to color the roof structure. Click on the roof structure, go to the toolbar, select the format, click on Shape Fill, and select the theme color of your choice. Or you can use the tool on the picture format as follows. Click on the roof structure, Right-click on the mouse, select the picture format. On the picture format display, click on Fill and Line. On the picture source, click Insert, and on the Insert Picture display, select from a file, and you can select or use your own patterns and shapes. Next, I will show you the process of detailing the door structure. On the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, click Shapes and click Rectangle. Make the shape of the structure on the door to be the same size. You can do editing in the same place, or move the door structure to another place. Then go to the picture format view, select Picture or Texture Fill, and select the pattern of your choice. After that, go to the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, click Shapes and click Rectangle, Beveled, and create the shape and size of your choice. Next step, on the shape format display, select No Fill, and color the line of your choice. When ready, you can copy and paste the same image, or repeat the same method to create another image. Move the image to the position you want. Repeat this process according to the shape and number of structures required. Okay, the door structure is ready. Next, the process of grouping all the door image structures. Press Ctrl on the keyboard. Click the images one by one, right-click the mouse, go to the group, and select the group. After finishing, move the door structure to its original place. The next process is the frame process on windows and doors. On the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, click Shapes and click Frame. Start making frames according to the size and number you need. Repeat this process according to the shape and number of structures required. Next is the process of making a boundary wall on the roof. On the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, click Shapes and click Rectangle. Create the shape and size of the structure according to your choice. Next is the process of making a boundary fence wall. On the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, click Shapes and click Rectangle. Create the shape and size of the structure according to your choice. Okay, done. Next, you can continue to print out through the usual process. Or you can also save as your work in JPG, PNG, or BMP file format. Using the Paint application, the method is as follows. Highlight the image as on the screen display. Right-click on the mouse, select Copy. Next, go to Windows Start, scroll down, go to Windows Accessory, and click on Paint. Once the Paint application is available, go to the toolbar, select Home, and click Paste. Here, you can edit the picture and specify the margin size of your choice. If you are satisfied, you can continue the Save As process. Click the file on the toolbar, go to Save As, and select the file format you want, and click. In the Save As screen, give the title of the image, and specify the location or folder the file will be saved, and click the Save button. OK, done. We continue the process of making a semi-detached house. The way is, you can insert the picture that was saved as earlier in Excel, or copy directly from the Paint application earlier. After copying and pasting on the Excel application, make a rotation on the image if necessary, and include the image. In the picture, you can specify the effect mode of your choice. The ways on the toolbar, go to the format, select Artistic Effects. The process of sketching a semi-detached house for a rear view is complete. Now, we begin the process of sketching the front view of a semi-detached house. The way and process are the same as making a back view. Observe and understand the movement of the arrow, step by step until finished. First, we highlight the drawing of the rear view as on the screen, then copy and paste at the bottom. Next, we delete and move unnecessary structures, and make modifications. The process of making a sliding door, highlight the column according to the size of the height and width exactly, and on the toolbar, go to Home, and click on the outside border, and click on Fill Colors and select the color of your choice. Next, to create the frame structure, you can modify the frame that you moved earlier. Repeat this process according to the shape and number of structures required. Next, process of making a carport. We start by making the roof structure, column structure, fascia board, fence wall. Roofing, color options, Save As process. Copy and paste images to Excel and attach images. All the processes are done using the same method as the previous process. process of final finishing, we can add accessories and decorations using PNG format file. The process is, on the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, click Picture, and go to Insert Picture From, and click this device. On the Insert Picture display, select the picture in PNG format that you want, and click the Insert button. OK. Now the pictures of accessories and decorations are available, and you determine the position according to your choice. OK, done. The process of making a semi-detached house for an elevation view of the rear and front is complete. I hope you can understand and be able to do it perfectly. Maybe you need a little practice to dominate this technique. I hope this video tutorial gives knowledge and is beneficial to you. As a token of appreciation and thanks, I request you to click the like and subscribe button on this video. Your support will make me more enthusiastic to produce further tutorials. If you're interested in following the full episode, please visit the Gawaku Studio channel, and you will be able to follow a complete tutorial entitled How to Draw Elevations Plan Using Microsoft Excel. Part 1. How to Draw Floor Plan Using Microsoft Excel. Part 2. How to Draw Floor Plan Detail and Finishing Using Microsoft Excel. Part 3. How to Draw Floor Plan Accessory and Landscape Using Microsoft Excel. Part 4. How to Draw Side View and Roof Plan Using Microsoft Excel. Part 5. How to Draw Top View and Roof Plan Using Microsoft Excel. Part 6. The Making of Semi-Detached House Plan Using Microsoft Excel. Part 7. See you in another episode. Thank you. From Gawaku Studio.